Hey guys, Jankova here from Mybizbreakthroughs. If you are truly serious to build your own online business, make sure that you have your own domain name. So in today's lesson, I will show you how you can set up and customize your ClickFunnels pages if let's say you are using this funnel builder to build your online business. If you will go here, you will see the URL here. It says jankua.clickfunnels.com. So you do not want to use this clickfunnels.com, but instead use your own custom domain name. So if you want to build your own online presence, your long-term business, then you should use your own domain name here. In my case, if I have this website, Mybizbreakthroughs.com, so instead of using this clickfunnels.com. So in today's lesson, I will show you how you can set up your custom domain to all your ClickFunnels pages. So to set up our domain name, you can go here in account, and down below here you will see domains. Just click this domains and you will be redirected to this page. So add your own domain to strengthen your brand. So you can add your domain to help customer remember your website. It's like when they want to breakthroughs, they will go to mybizbreakthroughs.com. Or if they want to make their funnels, they will go to clickfunnels.com. So is this make sense? So you should have your own brand so people can remember your business. So you can click this add new domain. Here you can register a new domain or you can add your own domain. So in this lesson, I will show you how you can add your own domain if let's say you already have your own existing domain name. So click this use an existing domain and enter the domain name you already own below. So let's say I will just add here one of my domain, let's say trafficsource.com. So I will just use here a new domain name so I can show you how you can set up and customize your ClickFunnels pages using your own domain, okay? So just click this add domain. So how to connect your domain to ClickFunnels? You will see this instruction. In order for custom domain to work, you'll need to log in to where you bought your domain name and add a CNAME record that points at this, okay, at target clickfunnels.com. So in my case, I bought my domain name from Namecheap. So all you need is just go to your domain hosting account. So in my case, I am logged into namecheap.com. And here just go to domain list and I will just click here one of the domain that I will use here just to show you how you can add this with your ClickFunnels. So just click the name of your domain. So in my case, I'll just click this domain name and then you will see these actions. So click this drop down arrow, click this DNS host records. Click this and you will be redirected to this page. So you will see here you have one domain selected and then just click here. I understand that this change may impact my existing services and they may stop working. So I'll just click this one. So make sure that you have a brand new website, okay? Because I do not want you to ruin your existing website. So here, click this box and then click next. Click this, I want to update host record. So just click this one and then scroll all the way down, click next. And then click this CNAME. And here you will see this host. Let's enter here www and then here target. Just enter target.clickfunnels.com. And then you will see this select TTL. Just click this drop down arrow and click this automatic. And then click save changes. Next, we will add our forwarding rule. So just click again the domain name that you want to use with ClickFunnels. So in my case, I will click this trafficsource.com and here click action. Click again the DNS host records. And then here, click I understand that this change may impact my existing services and they may stop working. Click next. And here, click I want to update host records. Click this one and click next. This time, you want to click this URL redirect. And here you will see host just enter your domain name or your website name. So in my case, I will just put here trafficsource.com, and here you will see target. So just enter here https colon backslash www, and then you just put your domain name here. So in my case, I will just use this domain name.com, and then so this one you will see select redirect type, and then just click save changes, and then just go back to ClickFunnels and click this I've done this step. So click this. Now it's checking. So you will see here, let's check that www.trafficsource.com. So this is in my case. So in your case, you will see here your domain name. So your customers won't be able to access your funnel from your new domain name until it's connected to ClickFunnels. So just click this check now. And here it says we haven't been able to verify that your domain is connected to ClickFunnels. This may take a few minutes after the initial setup of a domain, so please try again this later on, okay? So for the meantime, you can just register your domain name. Either you can use Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any domain hosting account service provider out there. But if you want to register your domain name using Namecheap, same like me here, this is my domain registration service provider, then I will just give you a resources below this video on how you can register a domain name using Namecheap. So make sure that you watch our part 2 on how to verify and integrate your domain name with ClickFunnels. So that's all for now. If you want to break through for money to become the byproduct of what you do, you can sign up for my free training workshop by clicking the link below this video. Jan Kua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.